there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab, which is named Advanced Features. Click on it, and here we would need to enable this function, which is named one-handed mode. And by clicking on the name of this tab, we can also change the method how we will enable the one-handed mode. So I would like to switch it to the button, which is double tap the home button. And now let's test it. I'll double tap on the home button and I am in the one-handed mode. As you can see, the screen has become smaller and this is now much easier to reach whole screen with only one finger. So as you can see, the screen is fully working and there's no difference between the sizes. So now to manage the one-handed mode, we have two controllers here, which is the arrow, which can switch the screen from left side to right and otherwise also, and also this little line which can make the screen at the upper part of your phone. So let's try it. I will hold the line and then move it a little bit higher, and this is it. Here we can also use the arrows. And now to exit the one-handed mode, we would need to click on any empty place that you can see here, and this is it. I hope this video helps and thanks for watching.